you. My name is ARIEF HISHAMUDin. My matrix number is 08DKM19F1139. I study at Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah Alam. Today, I want to show you on how to repaint the motorcycle part. Let's go. For the procedure on how to repaint your motorcycle part is, the motorcycle part must to be disassembled. It will be easier for you to repaint the part if they are separating. The second step is all the sticker that stick at this motor part must be removed by using the sticker remover. If all the sticker have been removed, it will smooth the surface of this motorcycle part. That will easier our process to repaint it. We use the flat surface of screwdriver to peel off the sticker away from the body part. Okay, so after all the sticker have been removed, you must make sure that your part is in a smooth surface. So to make sure the surface is smooth and not having any this thing like this, you need to use this sandpaper. Okay, how to use it? You can using the soap water and scrub it. It will make your body part when you repaint it not bursting the painter. Okay. Okay, so the result of our third step is done. So we move on to the next step. Okay, the next step is the motorcycle part must be coated by using this plastic primer coating spray. Okay, so we must first of all, the caution, we must use this mask to avoid the chemical substance from this spray entering our nose. Okay, so let's do it. the time that we waited for is to repaint this motorcycle part. First thing first, you must keep your mask on and make sure your spray have a gap between the motorcycle part around 25 centimeter. So let's do this. So the previous step is done. As you guys can see, all the motorcycle part has been painted. Lastly, for the last step, the motorcycle part have to install back to the motorcycle and or assemble it back. So that's all for my video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.